Hey guys, today we will study about the Irving Goffman's presentation of self. So we will start with a great example. So here I'm considering myself and I'm just scrolling through the Instagram and I saw my friends just post and enjoying at a cafe like with the tag like best day ever. But in reality, though I talked him personally, then he told me about his issues which he was going through. So about his struggle day, but he just mentioned that he's just enjoying his life and he's just enjoying the best moment of his life. So presentation of self basically means that we are just presenting ourselves at a best, though we are dealing with something, but we just hide that personality uh, in front of others. So it's basically that here the essence is the presentation of self in the society, and it just compares the social life and with the theater performance. So Goffman just compare our social life with the theater performance. So in the theater we just play the roles and different individuals just play uh, their characters. In the same way we also just play our characters in our life. Let's he just divide into two stages, like front stage. Here the project and polished version of themselves and using the props to fit the role. So in the what it tell that in the front stage we always just show our best and the polished side to everybody. We just don't want others to know what we are going through, and we just always show that we are at best version, and we just want to uh, show the always the polished things. And if we just move towards the another, like that's a backstage. Here the private space and person just drops their act at home. So at backstage what the people do, they just it's like in the theater, what we do, like at the front stage we just play our roles, but what we notice that at the backstage we just rehearsing our roles, and we just remembering the all the important stuff. So we are not acting the same way we are acting at the front stage. And another important concept like impression management. So editing posts before uploading, people consciously control how they appear to maintain a social image. So essential for fulfilling the social expectation, as we are a social being and we just always try to show others uh, about our standards, and we just always show that how beautifully we are just living this world, and how and we are just enjoying the every moment, and we just always try to just put a best impression on others. We just always want our photos to be filtered before posting on the Instagram. And like even a small, though we suppose we are just went for coffee, and though the taste of coffee was so worst, but we just pretend like that, oh, we are just drinking the one of the best coffee I ever had in my whole life. So they just want to show the falsity of the reality. They don't want to pretend that they just always want a social uh, like the a benchmark to know their your, they just want others to appreciate that moment. So they always just in a race of like impressing. It's like, and here it's like psychology, the Goffman's theory, impression management, self presentation theory. So it comes under the psychology, like how individuals consciously shape their behavior to influence the others perceptions. Ki how we as an individual we just continuously shape our behavior in order to influence what others just keep their perspective about us. We always allow others what they want to think about ourselves. So here's an example of job interview, like candidate dresses formally and speaks politely, highlight the achievements. And like whenever we go for a job interview, we always just show our best. We never show our like a casual attitude, and we just try to be in a formal dress, and we just always just pretend like, yeah, we are just best for this job, and you should hire us because of these qualities. We never show our bad habits and like that. So yeah, so yeah, so this all I have now completed. And please guys, just subscribe my channel. And I'm just a novice in this field, and I'm just a learner, and I don't want anyone to judge about it, and I'm just like you. So whatever the issues you are dealing while watching the videos, and anything you want me to change, please tell me in the comment section. Yeah, thank you.